Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I want to talk to you about this printer, HP OfficeJet Pro 9135E all-in-one printer. It's a high performance all-in-one inkjet printer tailored for small businesses and home offices that require robust functionality, fast output, and seamless connectivity, built with productivity in mind, security in mind. It offers printing capability, scanning capability, copying capability, and fax in a compact yet powerful unit. The key features for this printer: it got all-in-one capability, functions, print, scan, copy, and fax, ADF automatic document feeder, two-sided scanning and copying with a 35-page capacity, flat bed scanner for precise single-page scan. You can print up to 22 prints per minute for black and up to 20 prints per minute for color. First page out as fast as 10 seconds. Print quality, resolution up to 1200 by 1200 dpi for black, up to 4800 by 1200 dpi optimized for color. Output sharp text, vibrant colors suitable for reports, flyers, and presentation. Paper handling capacity, input capacity dual, 250 sheet tray, total 500 sheets, output tray 100 sheet, duplex printing, automatic two-sided printing, ADF 35 sheet dual pass for true double-sided scanning. Connectivity: you can connect this printer via wired using USB 2.0 Ethernet, wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, Bluetooth LE. Mobile printing: Apple AirPrint, Mopria, HP Smart App, Google Cloud Printing, cloud integration, seamless access via HP Smart for cloud storage and email. Security and management: HP Wolf Security, enhanced fireware integration, secure boot, pin printing, protects confidential documents, admin tool, web interface for fleet management and remote monitoring. Ink cartridges system compatible only with HP ink with dynamic security enabled. Ink type pigment based for long lasting print, and also it supports ink subscription. User interface: 4.3 inches color display for intuitive navigation and quick task. Custom shortcut save time for frequent workflow. Auto on technology reduce power usage. This printer is with fast and reliable performance, high quality text and color output, excellent scanning with dual sided ADF. This printer is ideal for small offices and home offices needing frequent print/scan jobs, business users who prefer a high volume document and color reports. While the mandatory HP ink cartridges and relative bulk build may deter some people, its speed, dual-sided scanning, secure networking, and cloud-first features make it a stronger contender for any productivity-focused workspace. And I'm going to unbox it, check it out, and see what is inside. This is the ink cartridges. These are the ink cartridges included in the packaging. This one is cyan. It's using 937 series. Cyan, yellow, magenta, and black. This is the information pack. This is the power cable included in the packaging. See what it looks like. If you have any paper jam, check for any paper jam and debris. Once you're done, you close it. And the power cable goes to this port. On the right, you have USB and Ethernet port on the right. USB port is covered with the white paper. USB cable is not included in the packaging, but you can also connect this printer using a USB cable if you prefer. Plug the power cable. Connect this printer to the power socket. And this is the ADF automatic document feeder. This is the scanner, flat bed scanner. This is LCD screen. You switch this printer on and off from this button, and this is the LCD screen. This is the paper casket, the button casket. Adjust button casket. This is the second casket. So you can load various sizes of paper. You can load A4, 8.5, 11 inches, number 10, C5. You can load various sizes of paper. If you want to remove this cover, then you press this button here on the side to remove the cover. And once you're done, you put it back. And also you can print with flash drive from this printer. This is the casket number 1 and this is the casket number 2. HP OfficeJet Pro 9130 series. This is what we have here, and this printer deserves your attention. This is the unbox, and you switch the printer on and off from this. This is Wi-Fi light is flashing. Looking for available Wi-Fi netting. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.